You've hit a bit of a wall trying to lose body fat, I'm going to tell you in this video exactly what you need to do. So before we get into exactly what to focus on, massive issues people face is when you're focusing on eating less, in a calorie deficit for such a long period of time, trying to focus on fat loss, not only is it mentally draining, but also the body will start to adapt to this, which requires you to, again, eat a bit less or move a bit more. So you might hear that phrase often, eat less, move more, lose weight. Which is right, but at the end of the day, we're not robots, we're human beings. There's a lot of psychology attached to weight loss. So you've lost weight, which is fantastic, but you have hit that wall and just can't seem to get past. Just take a break. Taking that break and focusing on your health as a priority, getting rid of the scales, getting rid of the tape measure, could be exactly what you need. So all this phase is you're trying to restore your health best as you can, trying to get as good hormone function as possible, stimulate a little bit of muscle growth, build the fitness, get daily movement in, nothing too strenuous, anything that's going to help lower stress and get you actually feeling healthier. After you've been focusing on reducing stress, sleeping better, getting daily movement in, regular exercise routine, you can go into a different phase, actually trying to build your fitness, your strength, your muscle. So let's say you do this for the next 12 weeks, really focusing on burning more energy. After those 12 weeks, increasing muscle mass, increasing your strength, maybe increasing fitness a bit, you're going to come back into your fat loss phase, the body that's built to burn energy. As that's all we're trying to do, we're just trying to burn more energy than you consume. Yeah, you can take away food, taking away a couple of slices of bread, that's like 300 calories, probably enough to start getting into a calorie deficit in some cases. But over time, that's not going to be enough, and you're going to have to keep lowering and lowering and lowering. I use myself as an example of energy burn. For me, if I want to lose body fat, I take myself down to 2,500 calories a day. So that means my fat loss protocol is to eat the daily average of a male. Now, if I wanted to maintain 3,000 calories, if I wanted to focus on building more muscle, 3,500 calories. What comes with that is the macronutrients as well. Always recommend 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. To keep things simple, just reducing the calories in carbs or fats, whichever you prefer. It's a general good rule of thumb, and I have clients who eat more protein than that, less protein than that, more carbs than protein, less carbs than protein. It takes a little bit of investigating, understanding how the body responds to those nutrients. Sum up, for the next 4 to 8 weeks, you're going to focus on bringing yourself back to a maintenance. Just focusing on reducing stress, daily movement, regular exercise, taking yourself away from the fat loss approach. After that, it's up to you. You can go back into the fat loss approach, but personally, I recommend focusing on building a bit of strength, building muscle, building your fitness to increase your energy burn further. Spending about 8 to 12 weeks in that phase to really make sure it's effective and you get plenty of progress. And from there, back into your fat loss phase. Remember, fat loss is relatively simple. It's just about energy burn. How can you turn your body into an energy burning machine? And how can you reduce the energy you consume by making changes in your diet? Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Hope to catch you in the next one.